Welcome, welcome, welcome! On our channel, we use real money for our investments, not like other channels that trade with paper money. Beware of those channels. And welcome to our money journey with Sonny. I want to thank everybody and all the subscribers out there achieving this first milestone of ours, 3,000 subscribers so far on our channel. This is incredible. I still would like other viewers to go ahead and subscribe so we can grow this channel to maybe 30,000 a year from now. But again, I want to thank everybody to make this happen. It's not me, it's all about you guys. Here's our mission statement. Been debt-free over 10 years. You can read the rest of this. We want to help other people to become very wealthy and become millionaire families as much as possible. And remember my phrase, it's all about you and not about me. So take care of yourselves and may God bless you all. Now, creating wealth, the first part here, I leave it up to you guys on the budgeting and financial responsibility. There's a lot of people out there who's going to try to tell you how to budget. People that have financial channels out there. I'm telling you, there's a lot of people out there that are making these videos that are not financially stable themselves. And they do these videos so they can create income. You need to learn from people that are debt-free like us. There's other channels that are debt-free people, and there's other people that help you be very conservative in your life on managing money. You need to watch those channels as well. Here in this part here, the stock market, not everybody understands the options, how to sell options, how to sell a put option, how to receive premiums and profits from your positions. That's what we do here. We go through all that. And about accountability within our families. We have to be held accountable. So you have to be an open book for your family. Get your children involved. After you teach yourself, pass it on to the generations. They can use some of this knowledge. Now, today we're going to talk about the July 2021 report. July was a great month for us, but we'll go through all the numbers. If there's a subject or something like that out there that you need to know about, that you need us to do a video on, it's all about becoming financially independent. And any type of tools that you need, we might have already made videos on it, and then you guys just have to look back at the videos. Just go ahead and place comments down below, or your questions down below, or even provide feedback on your trades. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and click the money icon below to review our past videos. We're now up to over 210 videos. Please smash the like button and subscribe. So let's go ahead and look at what's in our Merrill Edge account first. You guys can check out our balance. We have over $142,000, but that's not the balance we're going to use for the end of month report. Our end of month report is going to be lower than this. In July, we started with $133,937. We created $5,096 worth of profits, which is a 3.8% return. But in the options area, we picked up $11,156, which that is the number that we have to pay federal taxes on. Because remember, this is a taxable account. So our new balance starting off is $137,000. You saw in our Merrill Edge account we were over $140,000. See, that number is skewed, and you have to pull back the numbers and dig into it to find out what your true balance is. Now let's dig into these numbers before we show you the 3%, the 4% $1 million tracker. We currently have 9 positions that are open. We have Rocket. We have 1,000 shares there. We have MU, which is Micron Technologies. We still own 300 shares there. We have NNDM, Nano Dimension, and we still own 500 shares there. TLRY, we still own 1,000 shares in TLRY because a lot of it got assigned. We also have Wendy's here that still has an option on it for the 20th of August. SOFI Stock, we still own 1,000 shares. We haven't added to it yet, but soon we will. PLTR, we own 500 shares of it. We get an option against it for the 6th of August. We have SPCE. We still own 200 shares of this, and we have an option against it for the 20th of August. And our final position is in ATOS, ATOS, and we have 2,000 shares of this currently, and we're going to work on placing some more options this next week against this position. Now, everybody wanted to know my open positions. So that's only 9 positions that are open at the end of the month. Here's our tracker that we use for every day. It shows you where we got the premium from in this whole row, and it also shows you where we have our profits from. Each week is a different color code. We put it in there. And then we add it up and we subtract the margin fees. That's what this fees is about. Minus 121. Let's go ahead and look at the tracker a little bit. If you haven't seen it in our other videos, we're only capturing July's income here that we picked up. Like from Rocket, we picked up $164 worth of premium for the month of July. So these numbers over here are all added up each time these options expire, not the open options. And then I'll also put a yearly return next to here to show you certain stocks. If we receive 2.93% return, and if we perform that same 2.93% return every 60 days for a whole year, you would have a return of 12.21% if we keep making almost 3% every 60 days based off of the investment numbers. That's how it's calculated. Like down here, you'll see 88% return. If we calculate 1.41% every 4 days, we'll achieve that in 1 year. That's based off of 250 days of trading. That's why I put these percentages out here. So you can see the potential returns if we keep turning these positions. These are all sold puts. We sold all these puts in the month, and we achieved these profits, and we received these returns off of those profits based on our initial investments. And these are the percentage of returns if we keep spinning these things off every 8 days, every 7 days. See, there's potential there to make some serious money here. Within 3 days, we achieved 1.6% return off a Rocket. If we keep doing that every 3 business days, would achieve 133% in a year. I wanted to show you that real quick there. I think that's pretty cool for you guys to look at. Now let's go over here to our 3% for $1 million. On our 3% chart, as you can see here, we calculated 3% in here, right here for the month of July. That was 5,096, but it's actually 0.38.05 in there. So instead of 3%, I changed the formula. So we calculate the whole amount from our monthly report, $5,096 and $5,096. So we got to make that number the same as the monthly report, and then we subtract it from what the actual value of the account is. So we didn't realize the whole $5,000 of profit. The reason why is because some of the stocks that we currently still own went down in value. So that's why we had to offset this. It's no big deal. You know, remember, stocks go up, stocks go down. And we currently have nine positions open. And let's find out when we're going to become a millionaire here. And it looks like June 26th, we'll go over $1 million. Now, same thing over here at the 4%. You know, we backed it off. We changed the formula to 3.805. That's a percentage to achieve that $5,096 there in that box. And then if we keep working on this, we'll become a millionaire in June 2025. That's a year earlier than the 3%. So we're trying to achieve 3% is our minimum. You know, 4% or higher is great. It'll help us each month. I hope you understand that tracker that I just showed you. I will have a video of that tracker at the end of this video so then you guys can build your own tracker in Excel. Now these are all the stocks that we traded during the month. This is the total premium / profits we received is 11,156. We showed you that number already and where that came from. And then total net profits of 5,096. Now that's after the margin fees. We always have to subtract our margin fees. And remember, we sell to open, call, and put options. And we trade stocks as well. Now, if you have any questions or comments or video ideas or anything, just place them down below. Please share our videos with others and click the like button and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching our video, And I hope you guys have a great weekend. And hopefully August we do a little bit better than we did in July. Have a safe weekend. And I appreciate you guys watching our videos. Remember, this is all about you. This is Sonny. Until next time, I'm out.